as much about the design as it is about the materials. Yeah.
And then because of that, that helps the indoor air quality, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
The beauty of the 21st Century Design Competition for CSO is it gives us a chance to explore the process as much as it does the product.
The 21st Century Project was a competition put on by CUI, and they were encouraging architecture firms to look towards the future and anticipate the future needs of today's changing college students.
Right now we're seeing a trend with residence halls where students aren't interested in staying in residence halls because they want a different style of living. And residence halls of today haven't adapted to that sort of desire.
In all the dorms I lived in when I was in college, you got the same set pieces of furniture. One of the first things that I did when we started this competition was Dan Moriarty is our studio principal. I said, Dan, what kind of residence hall did you grow up in? He goes, 2 people to a room, double load corridor, group shower at the end. And that's the exact same experience that I had.
Society has changed, but why hasn't the residence hall? And so we can all kind of draw on our own experiences and come to a great idea because of it.
We tried to on the Tim DeHaan house, not April.
No, okay.
The process typically started with a few young designers and architects getting together and just conceptually thinking, okay, what was your experience like?
You could also consider core, too.
We then sat down and started sketching, and really the first part of the project was looking at the home.
We designed a super efficient, small, compact room, and then that attaches to another super efficient, small, compact, we call the home level. And those two are attached by a bathroom, so it's 2 students sharing 1 bathroom. It's got a bed on one side, and the other side is this wall that we call it. It's like a module wall. And the way it works is it's a kit of parts, so you can have, however many drawers and closets and desk space you need, and that can really accommodate a full range of students. That really plays into being able to design the room as small as possible because you're using it in the most efficient way possible. And then 2 of these home units connect onto a larger community space, which is neighborhoods. There's 4 people total. And then 2 of these neighborhood spaces can be opened into each other to make a larger village space, so it's 8 people total.
We were really pushing to make an area where students would really be encouraged to communicate with one another.
We got a great response from this, and going to the conference and the competition.
A lot of people came up and we talked to them, after the presentation itself, but even other colleges that were there and saw our presentation, maybe took some of our literature home, have contacted us afterwards.
The beauty in this competition is not in trying to create a room or a suite of rooms that we're going to go around and sell to universities, is this is the way you ought to build a residence hall. It's more about the creative process of the way we go about creating a residence hall for the coming generations.
This is a buildable thing. We don't have to look 25 years in the future for this to happen. We can look tomorrow and have this happen.